G'day guys, today we're taking a look at and testing out the Me Mother Emergency Tyre Repair Kit. I've got a screw here in the tyre and it needs to be fixed. Let's have a go. Now the kit itself includes a pair of pliers, your reaming tool, your plug insertion tool with a spare shaft, the lubricant for your reaming tool, and you've also got a little bag of goodies down here which includes 4 valve cores, 4 valve caps, your valve key, little tool there, and you've got a little cutter in there as well to remove the excess cord. And of course you've got the cord to repair the holes in your tyres. Now all of this comes encased in this brilliant little hard case that easily just snaps shut. It's a great little compact unit and will fit easily in many different places of your rig or your kit. So great little package there and at a pretty reasonable price. So first things first, we need to get the screw out of there. So I've done most of it already, just a couple of twists that should come out. There we go. Now we've got the obstruction out of the hole. What we need to do now is lube up the reamer. Get a bit of this on the end. This would be a little bit difficult to do, so this is a diagonal puncture, so I'm not sure how well this will seal. Now, put the kit back, check the reamer back in. We just need a cord and the application now. Now these are quite sticky, so let's see how we go. Get it in without using the pliers would be fantastic. Probably not possible. And about halfway there. Now, here comes the difficult part. Now we have the cord in, we simply need to trim the excess off as flush as possible. So now that the tyre is plugged, we should be able to re-inflate it and then test if it's leaking. So it should have 0 psi in it now. Let's take it back up to about 40 and see if she sits. Now we'll pour some water onto it. Now if it's leaking, we should see some bubbles expanding around the repair here. This is just a bit of water with some baby shampoo in it. Comes in very handy for decals and stickers and things like that. And also for detecting air leaks or gas leaks. So I don't see any bubbles whatsoever forming around that. And I would call that repair a success. That's sitting at 40 psi now, rock hard, and no bubbles whatsoever around the repair. of nowhere.